Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Carrie Rad. If you are new here, welcome. If you've been here before, welcome back. Today we are going to be doing a major closet clean out. I have been needing to do this for quite a while now. I'd say right after we moved in, I started noticing that I was not putting my things away properly and it was just starting to get chaotic, and I want to revert back to what it felt like when we first moved in because it felt pretty clean and organized then, but life gets busy and time goes by very quickly, and sometimes we just need to put things in random places because we don't have the time to put them where they're supposed to go. I'm gonna show you guys the before and after of this closet transformation. I'm gonna show you guys some of the stuff that I'm going to donate, some of the stuff that I might try reselling, and just how I'm going to reorganize my capsule side of my closet. I am so excited to be working with Blundstone boots to create this video for you guys. I will tell you in more detail why I love these boots a little bit later on, but if you've been following me for a while now, you know that these are boots that I wear every single day. I am all about Blundstone. So many people in my life have purchased Blundstone boots because they love them and see me in them all the time, and I just rave about how comfortable they are, and I've raved about them to you guys before. This is their new boot though. It's the ankle boot. It's so sleek, so feminine, but also has like a rustic vibe to it. I love these so much for just around like my area, but I also love them for travel, and I love using them in my garden as well. So we'll get more into these boots and I'll tell you guys exactly how you can find them later on, but let's get into this closet organization because I'm staring at a pile of clothes right now that is just overwhelming, and I want to get this done. My goal with tackling this now is so that going into the new year I can feel nice and refreshed. I think when the new year hits, we wait until we feel ready to tackle our New Year's resolutions. It's still 2019. I want to go into 2020 feeling refreshed in my closet, and when my closet is all organized and I can see all of the clothes that I have, I just feel so much more motivated in the morning to put on my clothes, to start getting ready, because if I just wake up and everything is just a mess and I don't even know what I have, then it really makes me feel unmotivated to get ready in the morning. So I definitely want to tackle this. Let's do it. This is the current scary status of my closet. Stuff on the floor, in the corners. This all used to be folded nicely on these shelves, not so much anymore. I'll show you guys the second side. This side is just kind of still just really unorganized. There's no rhyme or reason to where the clothes are, and there's a lot of clothes over on this side that I just don't wear that often anymore, and the same type of situation to where the clothes right here on this shelf are just totally in shambles. Like there's no rhyme or reason to them at all. They're not folded, and I'd like there to be like some type of organization to it. So I'm going to do my very best today to make that happen. There's also another scary thing, which is this pile of clothes right here on my bed. It's all clean. It's just stuff that I need to find a home for. I need to hang, and some of it I want to steam just so that like it's fresh and it feels good for me to just like throw on in the morning quickly, and to just make this whole situation feel much better. The 3 questions you want to ask yourself before you begin this process is 1, do you have enough hangers? My answer is I think so. 2 is, am I ready to let go of things? To just let them go? And the answer is yes. And 3, am I ready to take this on because it's gonna be a serious undertaking? And the answer is, I don't really know, but I'm gonna have my coffee and just hope for the best. Okay, so I have a lot of things like this. I have my Eric Clapton t-shirt, which I love to sleep in. I think it's so fun. It's a memory. We went to his concert in San Francisco. So anything like this that I love that is memory for me, I keep. But if there's another shirt like this that I don't even remember where I got it from, it's a sleep shirt, I'm going to let it go. Something I have been doing, which is a good tip for you guys in case you need this, is if you don't have enough room in your closet for specific things, get a basket for whether it be workout clothes or sleep shirts or sweaters or socks, and put them in the basket. I didn't have enough room to organize my workout clothes, so I started folding them and putting them in this basket. I'm taking all of the workout clothes and putting it outside of the basket for now so that I can go in and refold and reorganize all of the workout clothes. I'm gonna grab anything that's workout related from this pile, fold it, and put it into my workout basket. I'm also going to move my shoe rack right to the entrance of my closet instead of having it in the middle, because it was just harder to access over there, and then it allowed me to just throw stuff in this space right here. So I'm glad that's there now. I'm going to organize my boots there. Okay, now that I have cleared out the bottom of my closet, I'm able to put my boots up on the rack, and you guys are about to see just how in love with Blundstone boots I am, because I have them in many a different pair. These are all the different pairs that I've collected over the years. This is the newest pair that I've added to the collection. This is the woman's ankle boot in antique brown. The reason why I love this new style so much is because it can really take you from any situation so effortlessly. So I can wear them in my garden and then run to the grocery store, and then wear them if I'm running around all day long. I can wear them if I'm taking Lanka on a walk, and then I can wear them out to dinner at night and still look put together. And that is why I just love Blundstone in general. These specific boots are the ones that I've had the longest. These are the woman's heeled boots, so they have a little bit of a heel on them, which I love. They have just worn in so beautifully. As you can see, I love when boots do this. They just like weather gorgeously. And I'm really excited for this beautiful antique brown to do the same thing. I just love I wear these every day look when it comes to the boot, but in a beautiful way. Like, they don't look like they're falling apart. They look like they are just, that they've had adventures in them, and they have. Like, these specific ones I was wearing when I found Lanka, my dog, in Sri Lanka. I was trekking around in these every single day. I've worn these to the redwoods. I've worn these in Italy. I have honestly worn these boots all over the world. And then I have my more rustic Blundstone boots that are made for a little bit more serious trekking around. Blundstone boots were established in Tasmania, Australia in 1870, and despite the fact that they have blown up as a boot brand since then, they have stayed right there in Tasmania. That's where their head office still is, and that's where their manufacturing base still is as well. These shoes can seriously take you from rugged terrain to like the sidewalks of New York City, and you still feel awesome and put together. So I highly recommend these boots. If you want to check them out, definitely check out the link in the description box, and definitely check them out because I get DMs on Instagram and comments on my YouTube videos all of the time with you guys asking me where my boots are from, and most likely anytime you see me in boots, they're from Blundstone because I wear these babies every day. The scary thing that I just realized is that I should probably grab the rest of the clothes that's just chilling on the shelves in my closet and bring them over onto this bed to hang and fold and go through those as well. It's gonna add so much more clothes to this pile. Here we go. This is how it has to be done though. You just have to grab everything and put it in one pile so you can see it all and see that you have too much, or just figure out how to organize what you do have. Because at this point I have forgotten what I even have, because life has just been really busy, and so keeping up with keeping everything organized is difficult. But moving forward, my plan is to not let it get this way so that I don't have to go through this again. But this is life. This is what happens. Your closet gets unorganized, and then you have to go in and do a major transformation, which is what we're doing. Here is a pile of clothes that are mostly damaged. There's a few items in here that I just don't wear anymore, but right before we moved into our new place, I was able to sell a bunch of clothes that I wasn't wearing anymore on Poshmark, and then also I did a lot of donations. So I don't have that much clothes to donate, sell, or give away or anything like that, but I do have some, so that's good. It's always good to get rid of, to let some things go, but I did a major purge when we moved in here, so that's why I don't have that much. Now, I'm really going for it, and I am on a stool, and I'm going to grab all of these hats and bags that I have up here and just organize them a bit better, because they're just thrown up here because I honestly can't reach up here, so sometimes I just chuck things up here, and it's really starting to irritate me. All my Sri Lanka hat memories. When you go through stuff, it's like hard not to feel emotional about, you know, all the things. But I feel like if I'm gonna do this, I'm gonna do it right, and I'm gonna do it all the way through so that I feel great when it is finished. Is my Virgo showing yet? Probably. I feel like my Virgo shows quite often. There's no way that I'm gonna be able to keep this shelf clear because I just have too many like bags and hats and stuff like that, but I will definitely get it more organized. now it is time for the closet reveal. Here we go. Da-na-na-na. Oh my goodness. Look at this. It is so much better, you guys. This feels so good right now. Oh my goodness gracious. Okay. All right, I'm gonna give you guys a tour of the closet. Over here, I've got my baseball caps. In the middle, I've got my fedoras and sun hats. Over here, I've got my beanies and winter hats and mittens. And then I've got my smaller little clutch style purses and little backpacks. And then below, I've got my basket with the workout clothes. It fit perfectly in that spot, so that makes me happy. And then right below, I have all of my jeans. I was able to find jeans that were missing. These ones are my favorite jeans. And I could not find them, and now they are here. And then I have all of my like fall colored jeans up at the forefront so that I can see them and pull from them regularly. And then I put my lint roller right here on the end because I feel like it's just a good spot to have that right here in the closet. I've got my shoe rack down here, and then obviously my clothes here, capsule style, all of the pieces that I pull from the most. Then we can move on to the left side of my closet. I've got my long sundresses here, and I don't even have that much. Like once I cleaned everything out, I realized that I don't have as much clothes as it felt like before, which is a nice feeling. It really frees up the space. Over here in the corner, I have all of my dressier dresses and jumpsuits. And then in this bottom corner, I just have other pieces that I might pull from, but that I don't pull from a lot, and you know, they're kind of my maybe one day we'll donate or sell section, but still kind of like this stuff. So that's what this is. And then there's robes here that I put on a hanger, and then I was able to put my hamper inside of the closet, which I don't think I've ever been able to do besides when I first moved in. And then yeah, so this is where the jeans meet, so I can kind of grab the pants from either side of the closet. So that's pretty much it. There's just like one little backpack up there on the corner, and then a little like heater teddy bear if I ever need it when I'm on my period. All right, that is it for my closet clean out and transformation video. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I hope that it gave you some inspiration to clean out your closet and reorganize it and just feel good going into the new year. And thank you so much to Blundstone for collaborating with me on this video. Again, I wear their boots all of the time, and I will continue to do so, so this collaboration is a dream. Let me know in the comments below any recommendations you guys have for my closet, any tips that I should be doing that I'm not doing. Let me know in the comments below. I will see you guys very soon in a new video. Remember to give this one a thumbs up if you did enjoy it, so that I know to make more organization cleaning videos, because those are like my favorite videos to watch on the internet. So I will see you guys soon in the next one. Bye. This feels amazing. I'm not going to lie, I am so freaking stoked right now. I just need to keep it this way now. Ugh. Okay, so I just took this shirt off the hanger, and now I'm going to take the empty hanger and put it at the end. Like a good human, because that way I can just always have my empty hangers here at the end, and they're not like all hiding in here, and then it gets all clumped up and unorganized. And so that's my plan. I'm gonna put this shirt on and move on with my life. Goodbye.